Hello, my name is Chef Eric. I'm here at the City of Hope here in Phoenix. You may have seen some of our videos, so thank you for joining into this one. I'm here sponsored by the Cancer Fighters. We're going to make a smoothie today. So this is a peanut butter banana smoothie. So really, it doesn't get a whole lot better than this, right? So it has very simple ingredients, very simple to make at home. We're even using a hand mixer, which mixes it completely. You don't need to pull out the big bulky mixer or blender that you have at home. So basically the 4 easy ingredients. So what we're going to start out with is a nice ripe banana. This basically just go and buy your bananas and wait about 3-4 days, and then they're going to look like this, and they're going to be perfect for you. You just kind of break it up in a few little pieces, helps you blend that up a little bit quicker. Okay. And then what we have here is some all natural peanut butter. And this is also local here from Arizona. It's actually made here. You don't have to use this. If you like Jif, use Jif. You know, it doesn't really matter. There's really no rules to it. So basically, a smoothie is beautiful because whatever you want to put in it, you can put in it. You can use this recipe as a backdrop of what you want to start with. By the time you're done, you could have 10 different ingredients and it could be your favorite smoothie. So this is the same peanut butter that we use here at the facility. So then we have some plain Greek yogurt. And lastly, what we have is this is just a cup of whole milk. So if you prefer skim milk, you can use skim milk. And a good trick is what we like to do here is instead of milk, or even on top of the milk, you can go to the store and find yourself a protein substitute like this and use this as a base for your smoothies. We do it here at the hospital. It really helps add a lot of protein to your diet. If the doctor's telling you you need more, use this for your smoothie base. It does cost a little bit more money, but you still get all the benefits and you increase your protein. So it's one of the things we do here with one of our smoothies on our own recipes. Then you're just going to blend this up. So as you see, it doesn't take long to blend this up. Very simple. Basically, you just got to chew through that banana and everything else will be mixed for you by then. So now that your smoothie's all blended up, you can just pour it in a cup. And as you noticed, we did not add any ice to this, which means your leftover smoothie, you don't have to drink it all right now. You can put it in the fridge. You can save it overnight. Then you have a smoothie ready to go. You can make a big batch and you can make smoothies once or twice a week. And your consistency is always going to stay the same because you're not adding just water and ice to it. So it's all natural ingredients, like I said. And we make this one also here, right here at the hospital. So if you have any questions, please reach out on the website or try this at home and please enjoy.